man. You knew it was me all along. Come on, you knew it. All right, today we're gonna be picking the winner of the security system camera giveaway, and I'll tell you what, we're not gonna waste any time. So here's the software I talked about to pick the winner. So here we go, pick a winner. All right, 23 Dathadu. I'm interested in the cameras, funny video, but also very informative. Security is a must. All right, so 23 Dathadu, reach out to me, send me a message, or I'll leave my email address right down here, hawaiitesladetailing@gmail.com. Give me your information and I'll make sure you get those cameras out there right away. All right, so another cool little interesting contest. Be the first one to tell me where this is down below in the comments, and I'll pin your comment right up top. You'll be the #1 comment. If that interests you, go ahead down below and tell me where this is. Also, in future videos, I'm gonna be doing some giveaways. As I start to collect some products around here, if I'm not using them quick enough, I'm gonna decide to give them away. So if you like these giveaways and you want to have a chance at winning some of these products, leave me a comment down below. Let me know, hey Jeremy, keep doing this, man, and I'll keep doing it. All right, so that's all I got to say. We'll see you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed the video. All right, I'm out of here.